Yeah, after this, I'm gonna stop it, re-upload it, and let's do it again. I don't want it to be too long, so it takes me a full day to upload it. Yeah, I had your guy that you had just before, so I kind of hope that. Wait, hold on. Turn around. Girl, turn around. Who's who? Oh, yep. Ryan, you're the girl. You that pussy. Why? I mean, no, it's just so bad. Oh.
RJ's character only gives off one flashlight.
Only gives off one flashlight? What? No, my screen's blurry as hell. Oh, it's over there. Oh, crap. The green thing. I didn't see that. Screw you.
Right behind RJ, dude. He blended into RJ.
He blended in with RJ. Yeah, RJ, screw you. Yeah, kill me, you bastard. He's right in the corner over there. Turn around. My first reaction though, kill me, bastard, kill me. Wait, what the hell? Where are you guys?
Where'd you guys go?
Oh, you're there. RJ was following me like YOLO.
Oh, that green thing.
Ground it is, I'm walking right past the green.
Dude, I took the green thing and I took a right, and he was right there.
Yeah, I walked past the green thing.
Don't look at it, RJ, you're gonna die.
Wait, hold on, where are you guys?
Where did you go?
I'm still by the green thing. Like this one that... Oh, frick! Where you see him at the right. And I'm walking back to the first green thing, like in the beginning room-ish area.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. We're in that second one. Come on, RJ, come over here.
Like that robot arm one? Or the spaceship one?
We're in that one with the columns.
The columns?
Go to the one that we were just in. That one.
Oh, hi.
Oh.
Dude, freaking RJ. Screw you.
Dude, he's in you.
Yeah. The freaking skeleton. That's what. I'm sick of it already. I'm actually really glad I got this game now. Because I didn't want to waste another $1, like what I did on the $1 zombie game. Sure, it's fun, but it's stupid as all hell.
We're gonna get screwed up in there. We gotta run.
I'm following you because I have no idea where we're going. Yeah, it's right there. Dude, hurry up. Oh, I have more speed than you, that's right. Sure, I'll lead, whatever. No, screw off.
I can barely hear RJ.
I can hear him because he told me to turn my volume up all the way, you dick.
No, we're just in that room.
Yeah, I know.
Oh!
What the hell? I don't understand how you've seen it.
He was right in that doorway. You guys didn't see him.
I hear him. He's gonna be in the hallway to the left. Let's see if I called it. No. Dude, I got such a big Dude, I got it. Dude, I got such a big chill when I turned the corner, like, let's see if I called it. Stop to take a drink of water and instantly die. Yeah. Like, I get a chill, and I get...
Someone check behind us. Dude, he was right there!
RJ, what were you saying?
Did you guys look behind you?
No. We're not
You guys
idiotic.
would have pissed yourself. Okay, he was right next.
What did you tell Ryan? Dude, walk straight. Oh, got it. Oh, he's behind it. He's behind me. He's behind me. Don't look over here. Or he teleported. Dude, he was right next to the pillar to our left. Like, right in front of me. He's right behind that.
Alright, someone else look behind you.
Nope. He's not behind us.
Come in here with me. Oh god, I know there's a tape in here.
It's a matter of who's going first. And who's gonna piss themselves. But literally, I have such big chills right now. And all I see are shadows.
You don't even know, but you're the one that's leaving.
Yeah. Dude, I'm sitting and I'm shaking. Like, literally. Like, my legs are shaking so much. And I think it's hilarious. This is my third game, and I'm like, oh, I'm so scared. You guys have played how many? Oh, nice. Yeah, this is what the thing is it not? Is it not? Yeah, that's what the thing is. Wait, Ryan, where did you go? Ryan, come back to the body. Oh, there you are. I hope RJ dies. The best thing about it, though, is, like, you can check a corner and you can, like, take a quick glimpse and you can tell if he's there because it's, like, so white.
Oh god, dude, I can hear you.
Yeah. No. Dude, you're idiotic. Why'd you... You're the...
not coming back there.
Let's take a right.
This place is
Or
scary
right behind
as
you.
hell.
Dude, you're the one...
Just follow her. Here, I'll go back and get him.
Screw that. I'm coming.
Here, stay in the room with that.
Stay in the room with it where the alien is.
Are you in that room with the table? Where are you?
Dude, turn off your light for a second. Let's just see if we can find his.
Point your light up towards the ceiling.
At the ceiling? What about it?
No, but for RJ, and
Oh.
then we can spot it.
I'm gonna have my light off so it's easier. Yeah,
Wait,
RJ.
are you in the room with all the cabinets or the? You have your light pointed up.
Do it.
Point it up. I don't care. Just point it up so we can find you.
Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go?
RJ, I give up.
I feel like an idiot, Ryan. I just kind of lost you.
Oh my god. Go back to the room with the table.
No, I'm still in the one that where like we were just next to each other. Sweet. Yeah, I turned quick to see if he was behind us and I lost you.
All around us.
Yeah.
It's kind of scary to be in tight space looking for RJ. RJ, did you die yet?
I'm stuck, dude. I'm stuck. Literally, I'm stuck, dude. Come back, come back, come back.
Right here.
Hey, but I'm stuck. Literally, I can't move. There we go. It's just the damn doors.
You shouldn't have ran anywhere, RJ. You should have just waited for us.
You should have just kept walking with us. Like, oh, we checked out the one body, let's keep walking. Ryan's too MLG to get stuck like that. Okay, Mr. Ranger Man. I can hear a tip. Bye. Let's take a right where we're going to. You guys are running, I'm just like, keep walking.
I just love how we all like just riding.
Yeah.
That scared me.
Clearly.
Every time you spawn right in front of me.
Well, you're the person leading, so why wouldn't he?
Oh, close thing. I know there's one in here, but he's not spawning here.
Yeah, I can hear him. He's to, I think he's to the
Oh!
Okay.
Oh!
Just follow Ryan's screams. Oh, dude, my leg is just so bad. Oh my god.
Dude, he's all around me. Like he's going. Ah! You got him.
Bye. Oh, that's a good. That's a trap. Oh, frick! He's right there. He's right there. He's right there. He's right there. I'm dead. I'm so gonna die.
It's in here.
Dude, I lost you guys when I was getting away.
Got it.
You gave me a freaking heart attack. Okay. You guys came exactly from where he was.
He spawned in front of me like 5 times. And like 5 feet away from me.
Yeah, that's what kept happening. Well, that's what happened to me, but it only happened twice.
I guess. Imagine a hacker playing this.
A hacker? How so?
Knows everything.
Oh, yeah. Bye. None of us just say anything. It's just like, oh, bye. Yeah. Oh, no. He's gonna be around this corner. Dude, I think it's hilarious. These corners lead... Oh, frick! 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 They lead to the exact same direction. That's the thing that I think is hilarious. Like, all he had to do was turn around. He's still over there. And he's gone. And I'm the one leading.
Dude, I'm waiting for you to cross the road. I can hear you through the
Yeah. Right or left? Left it is. Or not? No, right. Oh, frick, he's behind us, Holy crap. Oh, frick, he's right there. I'm dead. I can't see. I'm stuck on the wall.
Oh my god, we went all the way back to the US. Remember this? We wrecked in here and we took the right?
Yeah, follow me. I've got a plan. I'm in the UFO room. I'm not moving, so tell me when you guys catch up to me. Bastards behind us. I can hear them. Feel what? Vibration? That's another green thing. right here. Maybe even another right. There's the bubbler.
Alright, what's that say right there? The picture show.
Computers.
Yeah, let's go that way. We've seen computers, but it wasn't a full computer.
Mexican, go first! Mexican pussy out. Yeah, I can hear the water. I see it. It's on the tip. I'll get it. Oh, yes he is! Yes he is! I'm backing up. I don't care. Yeah. I don't care, I was still gonna face this way. At least I thought I stopped swearing. Like full out swearing. I'm gonna like turn like. Screw you guys.
Oh, he's right behind us.
Good, I'm stuck. There we go. Dude, in front of us, in front of us, in front of us. Holy crap, balls to the walls. Balls to the walls.
RJ, wait up, wait up, wait up. I'm way back there, guys. Wait up.
Oh crap. No, I knocked over my iPod. Hold on. Hold up.
Dude, I'm right here. I wanted to see if you guys would turn around so I wouldn't be caught.
I just hear you scream and I just like, nope.
Dude, he spawned right in front of you guys.
Hold up. Yeah.
Dude, he's right behind you. Dude, what I said that. Whoa.
I'm like the calmest of the group as of like right now. Balls to the walls, balls to the walls, balls to the walls.
Oh god, alright, look for the tape as fast as you can.
Bye. Turn around and walk out. That's all I'm doing. Mexican out.
Take a left. Go on, Jake, come on.
Oh, dude. Oh, frick.
Back to the prison.
It's the bridge all over again.
Can you imagine closing your eyes and doing this like that sound?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. I'd have a heart attack. I'd be walking into the wall over half the time. Oh, fuck. Holy shit, that'd be so scary. Static passed. Static is behind us. So. RJ, you still haven't led. Go. Mexican pussy out? Oh, there he is. Yeah. Watch us, like, on the replay, us just making a huge circle.
Oh yeah, we've already taken back. I take it right.
RJ, you're still leading. Let's go. Yeah, lead. Let's go. For a second there, I was like, oh, the bastard's gonna be right behind him. Let's go, RJ. Quit pussying out. Quit doing the moonwalk. Let's go.
Come on, dude.
You're just a pussy.
Oh, shit. He's spawning right behind you.
Holy fuck.
I was gonna try to get RJ to go. No, freaking the end just spawned right there.
Yeah.
No, we've already been there. Come this way.
RJ, you better hurry up, otherwise you're gonna be alone again. Velma. You're gonna be alone again.
Left you.
And I said Velma because Ryan looks like Velma right now. Like the character, except the hair's a little too red for it.
Where the hell are you?
He took the left.
RJ, wait up.
You were supposed to follow us.
Yeah. Chicken down. Down this hallway, did you take a left or did you take a right? No, but like when going down that hallway to the right, did you take a left? Oh! It looks like a brown straight. Where'd you go after that? Oh, I see you.
The bastard's behind us. Never mind, he teleported.
This is our
Right.
spawn.
Hold up, RJ. RJ, stop moving. Let us catch up quick. And let me... Okay, you're checking behind. Sweet.
Yeah, this is our spawn. Looks like I'm spawning here.
Generator. There's a tape. Wait, no, we already got it.
Oh god, you're fine.
Oh, that damn laugh. When I hear her scream, I'm just like, turn around the other way. Who's gonna be the first to die? RJ! I just heard RJ scream.
Wait, where's RJ?
RJ, did you die? Yeah.
Yeah.
I heard him
Right where
scream.
you said it too. Oh, I wonder if someone...
We took a right from that room.
Alright, we got...
Bathroom. Oh, these are filing cabinets. Just keep walking. Just keep walking.
Where'd you go, Troy?
I took a left, then a right.
I don't know where I died.
Okay, can Zane stop screaming? Because that's giving me a headache.
Alright, I'm gonna try to look.
Ryan was.
My brother.
Ryan and his brother.
Wait, did you go to the body in it?
Oh, frick, I'm dead, I'm dead. $23 minutes.
We spent about like an hour on this game still.
Yeah.
RJ, you pussy.
RJ, you freaking pussy. RJ, quit pussying out. RJ, quit pussying out. Now, let's see how long this replay is. Yeah. Wait, what's that explosion? Oh, anyway. Yeah.
That's what we were looking for, remember that?
Yeah. Look at RJ's just random path. Look at RJ.
Oh yeah, they're right there. Like, RJ, where are you?
RJ, that was so bad. Well, that was actually 46 minutes. Well, this is the end. Are you tired? Are you?
Yawn.
Yeah, but are you tired?
Alright, dude, I'm done. No.
Pussy. Well, this will do it for this. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little break from this too. Well.
Hey, can I license transfer off you, Troy?
Not yet. But.
How about later this night?
Yeah, later tonight. Talk to you guys in my next video. Yeah. Remember, I'm kind of still taping. Yeah, retard.
This is lagging a lot.
Well, that's it. Talk to you guys some other time in another video. Bye.